It's August 10th, 10:43 a.m. We are going to get severe weather tonight, or later on this afternoon. Here are some storms as of now. Now that one does not look good. Where is it? Come on. This one right here looks bad. That big red dot with something in the middle of that one looks like a tornado. But I know it wasn't. Some over here. We're right here, Easton. And this is the local weather interactive map I have been using off weather.com. It is August 10th, like I mentioned. It is about 10:45 a.m. Some storms rolling in. Now if I bring this up, if I zoom this in, zoom in. There. Bigger blobs, bigger look. Right there looks bad. For some reason that looks really bad, that one. I don't know if you guys agree or not. That's just sickening, that big red blob. There's that one there. And right there. Ocean City and Cape Cod, New Jersey, South Jersey is getting really hit now. They said there's a warning out for them now at the moment. New Jersey there. I'll be back with an update later on if needed. Thanks. Like I said, this is our local weather website channel and news, the WFMZ.com, which I use, and here are some updates. Tornado warning until 12:45 for northeastern Castle County, Pennsylvania, northern Delaware, south central Delaware County, south Pennsylvania, southeast Pennsylvania, northwestern Worcester County, southern New Jersey, Salem County, and southern New Jersey. So south side, down in South Jersey are getting a hit. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Sunday for Delaware, eastern Maryland, and New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Severe tornado warning until, let me scroll this page back up. Okay, we got the severe thunderstorm warning until 1:45 for Berks County, Pennsylvania, Lehigh County, that's near us. So what they get, we get normally, because that's Lehigh, Northampton County nearby. And also flood warnings also issued for parts of Pennsylvania, and I believe it's going to be for South Jersey. No, unless they didn't update it. Oh, that's all weather for today. Really bad stuff happening around as of now. That's it for now. Okay, I'm back on the WFMZ channel 69 news, and it just got this updated because earlier it was all yellow, meaning severe thunderstorm watches and warnings But now you can see South Jersey has been updated to a red code, color codes, which means tornado warning for Jersey. Right there. That's New Jersey here. And there's tornado warnings. Warren County is right here. Right there. That's Northampton, Easton. And Warren County is on the left edge side off the map right there. That's it for that. Again, Warren County is right here. Right there. The little block there. That's it for now. If there's any more updates or if the weather becomes severe, I will be filming that, and this all will be uploaded to two websites today. I use YouTube, of course, and this other one, weather.com/user video. That will also be posted there. Till then, take care. Bye. Well, it's about 12:30 and it's August 10th. And I'm tracking severe storms today. South Jersey by Atlantic City and other places like Cape Cod are under a tornado warning. As of now, I'm on an Atlantic City radar with this website, NewYorkWeatherAuthority.com. There's one storm. Over to your right, there's Surf City. And if I move this up a little more, where is it? Okay, Atlantic City's right there. These storms are really bad today to become severe. That's one map. What you can see, that one just blows right up right there. That purple also means on like the weatherchannel.com, which is like a tornado. It could be in the eye right there. That's one website. Now this is the New Jersey radar. All of New Jersey is shown here. There's Philadelphia, storms are coming out of. Warren County is right about here. Off of near Easton, Northampton County, we got Allentown. We won't get the storm, I say, until 7 o'clock this evening. Unless things change rapidly and we get it sooner than that. But for now, I don't see nothing happening in our area at all. It's completely clear here. They're all getting on the south side of Jersey, which does not look good for anybody down that way.